In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you all how you can change the default location of your download folder inside of Windows 10. And it's all coming up next. So here we are inside of Windows 10. I'm on the desktop right now, and let's say, for instance, I want to change my download location, which is right now located in my folder, Jerry Colbert Downloads. And let's say I want to change it to the desktop, okay? All you need to do is right-click on the desktop, choose New, and then Folder. Call it Downloads, or whatever you want to call it. It'll change its name no matter what. Now that you've done that, you need to go into your File Explorer, right? Then you're going to come over here to Downloads, right-click on it, hit Properties. Then in here, you're going to select Location. As you see right now, my location on my Downloads folder is right here. Well, what you need to do is you need to move it. And so I want to move it to my desktop, to this download folder. And hit Select, and then hit Apply. It's going to ask you, do you want to move all of the files from the old location to the new location? We recommend moving all the files so that the program needing to access the folders content can also do so. So I hit Yes. And I have a lot of stuff in there to transfer over, so we will speed this on up. Alrighty now that that is done, all you have to do is hit OK, and now your new location is there. It's right here. So you say, well, why do I want to do it on the desktop? You don't have to. You can put it on Dropbox, Google Drive, wherever you want to do it, on external drive, whatever, it will go there. And so then when you click on Downloads, there's all your stuff. It's right in here. And now make sure though that your Microsoft Edge or Chrome or what have you is still pointing to the download folder. And if it's pointing to this download folder to begin with, it'll automatically recognize this location, because when you look at the properties here, location, it automatically points to that location. So I hope y'all enjoyed that episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you want to see more of these helpful and useful tips, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.